Well, hey there, metamaterial fans. Let's talk about the stock. So, if you have not heard me talk about Mmat here, metamaterials, ticker for that one, let me just update you where I sit with this stock. I'm very bullish on it. I've always been very bullish on it. I've always told people I really think this is a little bit of a sleeping giant. And I think it's going to take a while for this to wake up a little more. Now, one thing that I find very interesting about metamaterials, and guys, listen, I talk about a lot of stocks. I read up on a lot of stocks when it comes to news. And yeah, a lot of news is kind of like, look, it's not going to be truthful a lot of times. You're going to have to really dig for a lot of things and really just look for the bullet points of what's going on with the company and bleeding into the stock and what's going on. But one thing that I always see with metamaterials that really interests me and excites me is that I always see analysts talking really good about it. And if you look up news for a lot of companies, you'll know that a lot of analysts, they talk junk about almost every stock. I mean, even Tesla, they'll be like, I don't know, I don't know, next month it might go back down to 500. But metamaterials is just one of those companies where you constantly see positive news, and which is fantastic. So last time I talked about this company, we were sitting around this $5 range. And my thought was that it was going to stay this $5 range or possibly fall back down to this low 4 range, in which it actually even did around October 27th, but now find itself walking back up. Now lately we have had terrible volume with this. The volume, pretty much this week we were kicking the can way down the road. It was just terrible volume, not a lot of wiggle room, and things were just not happening. So obviously this year we've had the transition happen with metamaterials here, but with the year with metamaterials, it's been a pretty big year with the company acquiring the other company that they bought, which was Nanotech. And we know that they are still sitting on quite a bit of cash in the bank right now. But sitting at almost this $5 complete range here, bid price, we're seeing this is a great spot. And, this is going to be the playground here where this stock sits. And obviously, when I see these analysts talking about, their range where they see the price of this stock, it's always from a $6 buy-in. It's always at a $6 mark to a $7.50 mark. And obviously, I think that's pretty safe to say, because going into 2022 here, with everything that this company has done as of this year, we're going to see a lot bigger news and bigger numbers probably come out here for quarterlies going into 2022. And obviously, probably some new bigger deals, partnerships, everything they're going to be moving in here to what they're doing, because they are a company with cash on hand and they're making leaps and bounds and growth here. So I'm very bullish on this, and I definitely think this will be, by 2022, somewhere mid-year, this will definitely be playing around a $7 to $8 range, 10 at the highest, if things keep going well here. And obviously, I wouldn't be talking about this if I wasn't, excited or bullish about it. I definitely think this is going to be something that is going to be worthwhile here in the future, as long as we see positive news and positive growth on it. So friends, I just want to make a quick little update where I'm at with that. I'm trying to hash out videos this week and let people know where I'm at and what I'm seeing, and this is where I'm at with metamaterials here. So friends, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours. I will talk to you soon, friends. Bye bye.